10 essential travel tips before visiting Japan. Planning your first trip to Japan? Before you pack your bags, here are 10 essential travel tips that will make your trip smoother, easier, and even more amazing. Let's get started. Tip 1. Get a Suica or Pasmo card. First, grab a Suica or Pasmo card as soon as you arrive. It's a rechargeable travel card you can use for trains, buses, and even convenience stores. Super easy. Tip 2. Don't rely on cashless payments. Japan still loves cash. Many small restaurants and local shops don't take credit cards, so always keep some yen in your wallet. Tip 3. Learn basic Japanese phrases. A few simple phrases like arigato, thank you, or sumimasen, excuse me, go a long way. Locals will really appreciate your effort. Tip 4. Don't tip at restaurants. In Japan, tipping isn't common and can even be seen as rude. Just say thank you and smile. Great service is already included. Tip 5. Don't eat while walking. Walking and eating at the same time is considered bad manners. Instead, find a bench or a designated eating spot and enjoy your meal calmly. Tip 6. Take off shoes indoors. Before entering homes, temples, and some restaurants, you'll need to remove your shoes. If slippers are provided, use them. It's a sign of respect. Tip 7. Download useful apps. Before you go, download Google Maps, Suica, and Papago for translation. They'll save you from getting lost and confused. Tip 8. Carry a small trash bag. You'll notice there aren't many trash cans in Japan. Keep a small bag for your trash until you find a bin. It's totally normal. Tip 9. Be on time always. Trains and buses in Japan are incredibly punctual. Even being a few minutes late is considered rude, so plan ahead. Tip 10. Respect the quiet culture. In Japan, people avoid making noise in public. Keep your phone on silent and speak softly. You'll blend right in. Closing. So there you have it, 10 essential travel tips before visiting Japan. Follow these and you'll enjoy your trip like a local. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more Japan travel insights. See you in Japan!